The last day of our salad week de nuestra semana de la ensalada. And today we're gonna make this rice. Tenemos este arroz. Still cooking. Vamos a hacer una ensalada de arroz con tomate y con atún. We're gonna do this rice salad with tomato and tuna. With tuna. Entonces, como saben ustedes, hay que enmascarar el olor al atún. Hay que camuflar el olor. We have to camouflage the tuna smell, or we just open it and give the cat the juice of it. I think that's easier, I guess, because otherwise it's gonna be so annoying. And the tuna, just gonna give him the juice. Le vamos a dar el puro jugo porque todo el tiempo quiere comerse toda mi comida. Si sabéis que es verdad, pues no. You know it's true. You know it's true. You have your food and you want to eat mine always. And you always succeed. That's the worst part of it. Now it's gonna be quiet. I'm just gonna get the tomato ready. We also need to wait for the rice to cool down. Tenemos que esperar que se enfríe el arroz también. This is pretty simple. Voy a mezclar esto y listo. Like you do any salad basically. So while I'm doing this, I want to say something. Quería decir algo mientras estaba haciendo esto. I think I'm gonna reduce the number of videos I'm uploading weekly. Voy a reducir el número de videos que estoy subiendo semanalmente. That's because I feel like I need to give each video more time for people to watch. Creo que debo darle un poco más de tiempo a cada video para que la gente los vea, porque últimamente subí video. Estoy subiendo como 3 o 4 videos a la semana. I'm uploading between 3 or 4 videos a week. So yeah, I don't want to get videos with 10 views, you know, which is happening. I feel most people watch the videos on the weekend. La mayoría de la gente ve los videos en los fines de semana. So this rice is still pretty moist. I'm gonna mix it like this. I like it to be like a mush. A mí me gusta que esté como puré, así que just gonna mix it like that. That's enough. Y si quieren saber, that rice was just like one of those camping rice. Era un arroz de esos de camping. It's called Mexican rice. So it's like an instant rice. Un arroz instantáneo. In case you wanna know. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'm reducing the number of videos. I don't know for how many. Maybe I'm just gonna stick to 3 a week. Maybe 2 on a live video. Not too seguro, because I know that I'm for sure gonna make videos on the weekend. Sé que seguro voy a hacer algún video el fin de semana. Then I'm pretty sure that I also cook something during the week. También estoy seguro que voy a cocinar algo durante la semana. And yeah, I guess 3 is a good number. 3 es un buen número. Basically, this is the meal. I'm just gonna add some spices, herbs, una mezcla de hierbitas, some roasted garlic and peppers, ajo y pimientos tostados, and some mustard. Un poco de mostaza. That's enough. ¿Está bien? So now we stir this, and see this, I'm gonna eat it as it is, right? But you can use it as filling for a taco. Este se puede usar como relleno para un taco, even filling for some empanadas if you want. Para algunas empanadas, you can add cheese to it also. También le puedes agregar queso. You can make burritos with it, burrito or a wrap, some kind of wrap. You can use it like a spread for bread, algo para ponerle al pan encima. Just be creative, right? Sé creativo, and yeah, do whatever you want with it. I guess I'm gonna get some greens from outside. Voy a sacar un poco de verde de afuera. Yeah, you know, I'll try to stick to Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays or something like that. Voy a tratar de hacer martes, jueves y sábado. So this is gonna be an exception because this series, you're gonna see it every day from Monday to Thursday. Esta serie de la ensalada va a ser distinta porque la van a ver de lunes a jueves esta semana que viene. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna get some greens and finish this. So I got some chives and some garlic. Just this much. Esto nomás. De cibulet, ajo, tallitos de ajo, and that's it, huh? Then, same I did with the salad yesterday. I put it in the fridge for like 10-15 minutes. En el refri por unos 10-15 minutos, and then I'm gonna eat it. Y después la voy a comer. And with time, we'll see what happened with the video situation. Con la situación de los videos, vamos a ver qué pasa. This is all new to me, to be monetized and having the subscriber count growing so fast. But that's the part that I still don't understand a little bit, because like I have way more subscribers than before, but the views are like the same. Tengo mucho más suscriptores que antes, pero las visitas siguen siendo las mismas, so it confuses me. That's it. Nos vemos. I don't even know if I'm on camera or not. Ahí está. Nos vemos la próxima semana. So see you soon. Nos vemos. Chao.